Hi boys and girls, and here's today's math lesson. All right, let's start with our I can statement, right? That's what we always start with first in math. Our I can statement. All right, I can solve word problems with subtraction of 9 from 10. What do we need to do to this I can statement? What do we need to do, boys and girls? We need to, say it with me, break it down. Say it with me, break it down. I can, yes you can. I can solve. What do you think that might mean? Solve. What do you think that might mean? Solve. You're gonna have to do some thinking. You're gonna look to find the answer, right? So you're gonna have to do some thinking. And they want you to find the mystery number, right? Word problems. And what, boys and girls, do I like to call word problems? Because it's just so much more fun if we call them math stories. Stories with subtraction. Make that subtraction symbol, right? One horizontal line. What's another name for subtraction? Minus, right? Or you could also say take away. And this is our minus symbol. Of 9. Show me 9 fingers. Nice job. From 10. So it's going to be 10 take away 9. And what are we left with if we do 10 take away 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, right? 10 take away 9 is 1. Nice job. All right, let's read this back so we know what we're doing today. All right. I can, yes you can, find the mystery number. Math stories with subtraction. You could also call that minus. You could also call that takeaway. One horizontal line. That is subtraction. Of 9 from 10. So 10 take away 9. What are you left with? 1. Nice job. Alrighty, boys and girls. I'd like you to get out this worksheet. It's labeled with the date on top. We're going to start and do the problem set together. Okay, let me just erase my board. I'm just going to erase my board to make sure we have enough room to solve our problems. Okay, look at number 1. They already did the, oh, don't forget your name. Very important, name. You should be using a pencil. I used a marker so you can see it a little better, but you need to put your name up top. Very important. All right, directions. They say, make a simple math drawing. Cross out from the 10 ones or the other part in order to show what happens in the stories. And that was just the directions right up top. All right, here we go. Number 1. Guess what I've got? A math story. What do we do with a math story? First, we need to read the story, right? Then we need to draw the pictures. And last, we need to write the number sentence. Say it with me. RDW. Read, draw, write. All right, so the first time I read this story, boys and girls, I want you to just listen. The second time I read the story, we're going to start working on it. Yeah, we're going to get our pencils moving and grooving. I'm using a marker because I'm going to do it on the whiteboard. You can do it right on your worksheet, right on it. All right, it says, Bill has 16 grapes. 10 are on a vine and 6 are on the ground. Bill eats 9 grapes from the vine. How many grapes does Bill have left? And if you look, they already gave us a picture and a number bond, and they crossed out 9. Whew, so nice of them. All right, I'm going to draw this quickly up here. We have our number bond. 16 is our whole. 10 is apart. And 6 is apart. All right, 10 were on a vine, so I'm gonna label that V for vine, and 6 were on the ground, so I'm gonna label that G for ground. And then I'm gonna draw my 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the vine and 6 on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty. And we know Bill eats 9 grapes from the vine. So we're going to cross off 9 from the vine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many grapes are left? More than one, because we have 6 and one more. So we have 6, 7, right? So our whole was 16, right? We took away how many? 9. And we're left with how many? 6 and 7. And then you have a little statement and it says, Bill has blank grapes now. And I'm running out of room. Grapes. How many grapes does he have now, boys and girls? 7, right? 7. So you'll fill that in. So now, boys and girls, you have the first one all done. Nice job. All right, let's move on to the next one. Remember, you can always pause this video if you don't have everything done yet. You can always pause it. Okay. Alrighty. Guess what I got? A math story. What do we do with a math story? First, we need to read the story, and then we need to draw the picture, and then we need to write the number sentence, right? R-D-W, R-E, draw, write. Okay, the first time I read the story, just listen, okay? 12 frogs are in the pond. 10 are on a lily pad, and 2 are in the water. 9 frogs hop off the lily pad and out of the pond. How many frogs are in the pond? All right, we have our number bond that they already filled out for us because they're so nice. 12 is our whole. 10 was a part, and 2 was a part. And 10 were on a lily pad. Lily, ooh, L, right? We'll label that L for lily pad. And 2 were in the water. So we'll label it W for water. All right, let's draw our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And our 2. 1, 2. And it says 9 frogs hop off the lily pads. 9 hop from the lily pads. So we're going to cross off 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many are we left with, boys and girls? 1, but we can't forget about the 2. So we had 12, right? That was our whole. We took away how many? 9. And how many are we left with? 1, 2, 3. 3. So there are how many frogs still in the pond? It'll be there are 3 frogs still in the pond. 3. So your line that says there are 3. I think that's what it says. Yeah, 3 frogs still in the pond. Period. There are 3 frogs still in the pond. And you can always pause this video to make sure you have it all drawn and written down. Nice job. I'm going to erase my board, but you can always pause the video so you don't fall behind. Okay, just erase this board. Okay, number 3, boys and girls. We are on number 3. So we are doing this together so you can have it all filled in. All right, number 3 we're on. It's a math story. What do we need to do with a math story? First, we need to read, then we need to draw out the pictures and write the number sentence. Okay, listen, listen. Kim has 14 stickers. 10 stickers on the first page and 4 stickers on the second page. Kim loses 9 stickers from the first page. How many stickers are in her book? All right, we have our number bond. 14 is our whole. That's how many stickers she has all together. 10 on the first page. First page, F, right, for first page. And 4 on the second page. S, right. All right, let's draw our picture. 10 and then our 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have our 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says Kim loses 9 stickers from the first page. So we need to cross off 9 from the first page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we had 14, right, all together. We took away how many? 9. What are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Kim has how many stickers? Kim has how many stickers left? 5. She has 5. This S looks a little funky. 5 stickers left. Nice job. You can always pause this. This was number 3. So you can have number 3 should be completely full. Filled in. Number 1, 2, and 3 we have done so far, boys and girls. We have done them so far, so you should have them filled in on your sheet. All right, turn to the next page. This is what it looks like. You're looking for number 4 on the top, okay? We're on number 4. Find number 4. Okay, ready? Number 4 says 10 eggs are in a carton. 5 eggs are in a bowl. Joe's father cooks 9 eggs from the carton. How many eggs are left? And on your paper, you have the 2 parts that gave you 10 and 5. What number is 10, 5? 10, 5. Some of us might just know 10, 5 is 15. But if you don't know that, you can go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our whole we know is 15. You can fill that right in. Next, we're going to draw 10 eggs in a carton. C for carton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in a carton. 5 are in a bowl. Bowl. B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 10 and 5. Joe's father cooks 9 eggs from the carton. 9. So if he cooks them, they're gone. So we need to cross off 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we know our whole, we started with 15. How many did we take away? 9. And what are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 15 take away 9 is 6. So we have there, so on your line it says there are blank eggs left. How many eggs are left? 6. Nice job. And that is number 4, boys and girls. Right here, number 4. Right here, you're gonna write right here. Okay, you can always pause the video. All right, I'm going to erase my board and move on to number 5. Okay. Number 5. All right. Jan had 10 wrapped gifts on the table and 7 wrapped gifts on the floor. She unwrapped 9 gifts from the table. How many gifts are still wrapped? All right, so on your paper you have your whole and your part number bond. You just have to fill it in, right? So we know there are 10 wrapped gifts on the table. 10, I'm gonna write this a little bigger. 10 we know is a part. And 7 wrapped on the table, T. And 7 wrapped on the floor, so 7 is a part. And that's on the floor, F. But what is the whole, boys and girls? What is 10 and 7? 10, 7. And if you don't know, you could go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What's our answer? 17. Our whole is 17. Okay, we have 10 presents on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 7 wrapped gifts on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice job. We're not quite done yet though. She unwrapped 9 gifts from the table. So we're going to cross off 9 from the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so our whole, we started with 17, right? We started with 17 presents. How many did we open? How many did she open? 9. How many presents are we left with, boys and girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So it says Jan has blank gifts still wrapped. So you will write has 8 gifts still wrapped. And this is number 5. Alrighty, let's move on to number 6. Number 6. Moving on down that page. We're almost done with problem set. Okay. Number 6. Right here, it's about cupcakes. Yum. Cupcakes are delish. All right, there are 10 cupcakes on a tray and 8 on the table. On the tray, there are 9 vanilla cupcakes. The rest of the cupcakes are chocolate. How many cupcakes are chocolate? All right. We know we have 10 cupcakes on a tray. Tray. 10 on tray. I'm going to write tray. T-R-A-Y. Tray. and 8 on the table. And I'm gonna label it T for table. I couldn't label them both T, right? One of them tray and table. All right, we know 10, 8. 10 plus 8 is what? If we said 10, 8, we would know 18, right? Okay, let's draw our 10 on the tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 8 on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. On the tray, there are 9 vanilla cupcakes. The rest are chocolate. So boys and girls, we need to cross off 9 from the tray to figure out how many are chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we had 18. How many did we take away? The 9 vanilla to figure out how many are chocolate. So these ones are chocolate. So we have 8, 9. So on the bottom, it says there are blank, there are blank chocolate cupcakes. And how many chocolate cupcakes are there, boys and girls? 9. Very nice job. And you should have that all filled in down here. All this filled in on your paper. You can always pause the video. All right, I'm gonna erase my board. All righty. Very nice job, boys and girls. Here's our last question. It's our exit ticket. All righty. And I'll start it with you, but I'm going to let you finish it. All right. Make a simple math drawing. Cross off from the 10 ones to show what happens in the story. Okay. There are 16 books on the table. 10 were about dinosaurs. 6 were about fish. A student took 9 of the dinosaur books. How many books were left on the table? All right, we have our part, whole. Okay, so we know there are 16 books on the table. 16 is our whole. 10 about dinosaurs, dinosaurs, D, right? And 6 about fish, F, right? All right, draw your picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they want to know, a student took 9 of the dinosaur books, so you're going to have to cross off 9 of the dinosaur books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then, what is our number sentence? 16 take away 9 equals that mystery number, which would be counting the circles left. All right, and I'll leave that for you to do. Now, boys and girls, we've done the whole problem set together. I really hope you kind of know what's going on, but it's okay if you don't, because we've just started this. I know you're gonna master it very, very soon, if not yet, and that's fine too. All right, so you just have, boys and girls, the homework to do. The homework, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. I think you can totally handle it. You're gonna rock it. And I can't wait to be back in school together to do this with you. All right, keep up the great work, boys and girls. You rocked it today. Wash your hands. Love you. Bye.